Hello everyone. So today our project is electronic voting machine. So in this we have used a Raspberry Pi microcontroller board. For face recognition of an voter, we have used a camera and a keypad we have used for voting. Means when the face is being recognized, the system will allow him to enter the party number in keypad. So the party numbers will be displayed on LCD, so which number indicates which party, like that. And once the number is been entered using keypad, it will take the count, and the party count at the end is not being displayed on the LCD. Once voted, it will be displayed on the monitor itself, so that the person who is operating the system can see the vote count of parties, and the person who came to vote cannot see it. And if any person comes to vote the second time, we have a buzzer to alert the entire authorization around the system, and it won't allow that person to vote again. And if an unknown face is been recognized, then also the buzzer will give an alert. In the first step, we have to connect this Raspberry Pi to the laptop. For that, in the first step, we have to turn on our hotspot with credentials project 1 and password as 1234567889, and you need to connect with the laptop with the same hotspot, and then within a few seconds you can able to see Raspberry Pi getting connected to your mobile hotspot. And then you need to install two softwares in your laptop. One is Advanced IP Scanner, another one is VNC Viewer. In the Advanced IP Scanner, after scanning, you can able to view the IP address of the Raspberry Pi and copy the IP address and paste that in VNC Viewer. There it will ask for a administrative credentials. You need to enter username as Pi and password as Raspberry Pi. Then automatically your laptop gets connected to this Raspberry Pi board. So once it gets connected to your laptop, the desktop will display like this. Then on desktop itself, you have a main code folder. Open it, and in the first step you need to open face dataset. To execute this code, you need to run module. There it will ask for an ID, so you need to enter the ID like 1, 2, 3 and so on. After entering that number, click on enter button and show your face to camera. After taking samples of 80, it will automatically close by itself. In the second step, open training.py. Once the images were trained, open face detect.py. So here you need to enter the email address and password of sender. And in here, under one, you need to enter the mail ID of the recipient, means whoever that enrolled under ID number 1. And for ID number 2, you need to enter their mail ID and so on. You can extend this by copy pasting this. So for whoever enrolled under ID 3, you need to enter their mail ID here. Like that you can extend this block for the number of voters that are enrolled. After entering those credentials, you can run the code. So the LCD starts to give the status indications what to do. So ID 1 is been detected. The LCD will display the party numbers, and according to that we need to enter the number through keypad. So in the monitor it will display the how many votes came to that party 1, because I entered the number 1 ID. So when the same voter comes for the second time to vote, this buzzer will use that alert, and it will display like fraud voting or already voted. So once the voter has been voted successfully, a mail alert will be sent to their email address which was given in the code. So that's it for the project. Thank you.